In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and keep your folder hierarchy intact on Google Drive. Whether you're organizing family photos, important work documents, or project files, maintaining the structure of your folders is crucial for easy navigation and access. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to ensure your files and subfolders are already organized on your computer exactly the way you want them to appear in Google Drive. This pre-organization is essential because it'll make the subsequent steps seamless and hassle-free. Take a moment to double-check that everything on your computer is arranged just the way you prefer. Now, to upload this structured folder into Google Drive using the web version, you'll begin by opening Google Drive in your browser. Once you're in, navigate to the specific location where you'd like your folder structure to appear. This could either be in My Drive or possibly a particular folder you've already set up. From here, click on New, followed by Folder Upload. Alternatively, you can simply right-click within the folder and choose Upload Folder. This action will open a window that lets you select the folder you've organized on your computer. Choose your folder, and Google Drive will handle the upload process for you, bringing in the folder along with all its subfolders just as they are. Another option is to use the drag and drop method. If you're using Chrome or another supported browser, simply drag the top-level folder directly from your File Explorer and drop it into the Google Drive web interface. The beauty of this approach is that it preserves the nested subfolder structure, making it quick and easy. As your files upload, make sure to wait patiently for the process to complete, especially if you have a large tree of folders. This step is vital to ensure everything is uploaded correctly. Once it's done, you can take a look in Google Drive and see that your folder names and hierarchical structure are exactly as they were on your computer. For those who use Google Drive's desktop app, previously known as Backup and Sync, there's an equally efficient way to maintain your folder hierarchy. Begin by installing the Google Drive app on your computer, and don't forget to sign in with your account details. Once that's ready, select the local folder you wish to sync with either My Drive or a shared drive on Google Drive. As the sync process takes place, your local folder's structure, including all folders and subfolders, will be meticulously replicated in your Google Drive location. This method ensures that your organizational work on your computer is mirrored online without any extra effort. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to keep your documents well organized and simple to navigate, whether on your desktop or in the cloud. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy a more organized Google Drive experience.